Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching the Upshift YouTube channel. Welcome. Today is a very sad episode, or a very sad video, because Albon has been dropped from his Red Bull seat. Well, he's been signed as a reserve driver for Red Bull Racing, and as you all know, I am a massive Albon fan, and it hurts as an Albon fan, but I do respect the decision. Because Albon has not been performing as we thought and hoped. Because he showed pace in 2019 that was absolutely amazing, especially in Spa and Russia, when he went from P20 to P5 and P17 to P5 in both races, and also in Suzuka, where he finished in P4, which was pretty good, and his highest position at that time. So he did pretty decently in 2019, but 2020 he just did not perform as well as I really hoped he would. And it's frustrating to see, because he's a talented driver, and I want him to succeed, and I think that he will be back for 2022, more than likely. I think that he will not be, obviously he won't be on the grid this year, but he will be next year in 2022. But we have some statements to read from Red Bull, Checo, Alex, and I believe Max. Horner first said about Alex. Alex remains an important member of our team and takes on the role of test and reserve driver with key focus on 2022 development. And yeah, I do hope he does get back on the grid for 2022. Because again, I'm also myself an Albon fan, so I'm a bit biased. So yeah, I really hope he does. Checo released a statement later, saying the chance to race for a championship contending team is something I've been hoping for since I joined F1, and it would be a very proud moment to step onto the grid in the Red Bull colors. And I am super excited to see what Checo does in that car, because he's a really, really, really good driver, and how he performed this year is really, really good, and it's really impressive to see him just step up like that and not only take a podium, take a win, and secure. And it was a pretty good year for him, his best season today. I'm really sad that he ended the season with a DNF. But yeah, I hope he does pretty decently well. If I can find it, Max Verstappen said that it is exciting to have a teammate that will put me on my toes for the entire year, which I get, because Albon didn't do that, unfortunately, and Checo will be more on Max, like pushing Max the entire way, which I am very excited to see. And then finally, Alex released a statement saying, I can't lie, guys, this hurts. I gave it everything out there, but it wasn't quite enough. I wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you that supported me throughout this year, especially my Thai fans. With all the different opinions out there, I always had you guys to push me through it. I'm not giving up. I've poured my life onto this, and I won't let it stop here. I have more to give, and my focus is getting back for 2022 and to wave that Thai flag once again. So yeah, reading that statement, it hurt. Because I really like seeing Albon up on the podium those 2 times he was on the podium. And hopefully he gets on the grid for 2022. My prediction for him, for what's next this year, I think that he might go to something like Super GT, I believe. I believe that's what it's called. Yeah, Super GT. Like Super GT, or maybe Super Formula, or something like that, to try to keep in racing. I think he'll probably go to GT racing for this year. And next year, I think that he might be in AlphaTauri next year, with all the rumors with Pierre Gasly moving to Renault and wanting to get out of Red Bull, the whole Red Bull family. of teams and trying to put himself in a Mercedes car, actually, apparently, is what the rumors are. And Alex and Tsunoda would be a pretty cool pairing, because I'm actually really excited to see how Tsunoda does. By the way, I didn't talk about that. I didn't talk about Tsunoda. Tsunoda has been signed for AlphaTauri, replacing Daniel Kvyat, and I'm also very excited to see what he does, because he is a very speedy driver, and we will see how he does. So yeah, final thoughts about this whole issue. I know this is a very quick video. It's been only 6 minutes. Just wanted to make a quick video to talk about this. Albon, as much as I hate the decision, I hate it, I respect it. I respect it by Red Bull, and I agree with it. I don't like the decision, but I agree that it's a good decision. You know what I mean? It's kind of like you hate broccoli, and you don't want to eat it, but you know it's good for you, so you eat it. It's kind of like that. It's a weird analogy. But yeah, it's kind of like that. Checo, I do wish him the best, because he will be great. I'm still rooting for Red Bull, because I love Red Bull. I've loved Red Bull for a while now, and I'm super excited. They won't be my main people. I'm probably going to root for McLaren or Ferrari, because I love Charles. He's going to be my main focus now in the next podcast. My next podcast stuff. But no, we'll see how Checo does, and we will see if he can put Max on the edge, or will he crumble like Alex and Pierre did under the pressure of Red Bull, of winning races, and apparently the second car being cursed. Being cursed for the second driver and the teammate of Max Verstappen. So yeah, we will see what will happen next year when we go to the grid. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Of course, wear your mask, subscribe, follow me on all my social medias. Everything will be down in the description below. Enjoy your day, and goodbye. Peace.